Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on theory of numbers, lecture number 10, in which I will discuss some more problems on divisibility. Now we solve problem number 6, so that the product of two integers of the form 4m plus 1 is again of this form, while the product of two integers of the form 4m plus 3 is of the form 4m plus 1, where m is an integer. Now we solve this. Let 4k plus 1 and 4n plus 1 be two integers where k and n belongs to z, means integers. These are of the form 4m plus 1. Now 4k plus 1 multiply 4n plus 1 equal to 16kn plus 4k plus 4n plus 1. If we take common 4, here 4kn plus k plus n plus 1. Let this is number 1. Since kn all are integers, implies that 4k n plus k plus n is also an integer. Let this equal to m. Therefore, from 1, 4k plus 1 multiply 4n plus 1 equal to 4m plus 1. Proved. Now we prove the second part. The product of two integers of the form 4m plus 3. Let 4k plus 3 and 4n plus 3 be two integers. Therefore, 4k plus 3 multiply 4n plus 3 equal to 16kn plus 12k plus 12n plus 9. This equal to 16kn plus 12k plus 12n plus 8 plus 1. This equal to, we take common 4, 4kn plus 4k plus 4n plus 2 plus 1. Let this is number 2. Since kn all are integers, implies that 4kn plus 4k plus 4n plus 2 is also an integer. let this equal to m. Therefore, from 2 4k plus 3 4n plus 3 equal to 4m plus 1. Proved. Now we solve problem number 7. So that the square of every odd integer is of the form 8m plus 1. Let n be an odd integer. Therefore, n equal to 2k plus 1, k belongs to z. This is number 1. N square equal to 2k plus 1 whole square. This equal to 4k square plus 4k plus 1. This equal to, we take common here 4k, k plus 1 plus 1. This is number 2. Since k and k plus 1 be two consecutive integer, therefore their product k plus 1 equal to factorial 2 multiply an integer. Let that integer is m, because we know that product of two consecutive integer is divisible by factorial 2. This is number 3. Using theory, into we get n square equal to 4 multiply factorial 2 multiply m plus 1. Factorial 2 means 2, that is 8m plus 1. Proved. Now we solve problem number 8. Prove that if m is an even integer, then 3 to the power m plus 1 is divisible by 2. If m is an odd integer, then 3 to the power m plus 1 is divisible by 2 square. If m is any integer, even or odd, then 3 to the power m plus 1 is not divisible by 2 to the power k greater than equal to 3. We solve this problem in 3 parts. In the first part, m is an even integer. In the second part, m is an odd integer. And in the third part, for k greater than equal to 3, in that case, we will take m is even or odd. Now, part 1. Let m is an even integer. Therefore, m will be of the form m equal to 2k. K belongs to z. Now, 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 3 to the power, in place of m we write 2k plus 1. This equal to 3 to the power k whole square plus 1. 3 to the power k is an odd integer, and this is odd integer whole square plus 1. We know that square of odd integer is of the form 8m plus 1. Here we write this equal to 8n plus 1 plus 1. N belongs to z. This equal to 8n plus 2, and this equal to 2 common 4n plus 1. Let this is number 1. Since n belongs to z, implies that 4n plus 1 belongs to z. Let this is equal to k1 belongs to z. Putting this value in number 1, we get 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 2 k1. k1 belongs to z. Therefore, 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 2 multiply k1. k1 is an integer, implies that 2 divides 3 to the power m plus 1. Proved. Now we prove part 2. Let m is an odd integer. Therefore, m will be of the form 2k plus 1. K belongs to z. Therefore, 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3 to the power 2k multiply 3 to the power 1 plus 1 equal to 3 to the power k whole square multiply 3 plus 1. 3 to the power k is an odd integer. This is equal to odd integer whole square multiply 3 plus 1. Since square of an odd integer is of the form 8m plus 1, here we write this 8n plus 1 multiply 3 plus 1 equal to 24n plus 3 plus 1. This equal to 24n plus 4. This equal to common 4 6n plus 1 equal to 2 square 6n plus 1. This equal to number 2. Since n belongs to z, implies that 6n plus 1 belongs to z. Let this is equal to k2 belongs to z. Therefore, from 2, 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 2 square multiply k2. This means 2 square divides 3 to the power m plus 1. Proved. Now we solve part 3. Here m is any integer, even or odd. Since from 1 for m to be an even integer, we have 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 2 multiply 4n plus 1. Now let we write this number 3. And from 2 for m to be an odd integer, we have 3 to the power m plus 1 equal to 2 square multiply 6n plus 1. Let this is number 4. Here we see that for the case m to be even, 3 to the power m plus 1 is divisible by 2, means 2 to the power 1. For m to be an odd integer, 3 to the power m plus 1 is divisible by 2 square. Maximum power of 2 is 2. If 4n plus 1 is not divisible by 2, then maximum power of 2 will be 1 for 3m plus 1 is divisible by 2 to the power 1. And if 6n plus 1 is not divisible by 2, then maximum power of 2 will be 2, that is 3a to the power m plus 1 is divisible by 2 square, not more than power 2. Now we consider 3. Here we examine that whether 4n plus 1 is divisible by 2 or not. Let n is an even integer in theory. Therefore, n will be of the form 2k3. k3 is an integer. Therefore, 4n plus 1 equal to 4n means 2k3 plus 1. This equal to 2 multiply 4k3 plus 1. This part is even. 2 multiply some integer is even plus 1. This is odd. Therefore, 2 does not divide 4n plus 1 because 4n plus 1 is an odd integer. This is number 5. Let n is an odd integer in theory. Therefore, n equal to of the form 2k3 plus 1. k3 belongs to Z. Therefore, 4 n plus 1 equal to 4 2k3 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 8k3 plus 4 plus 1 implies that 4n plus 1 equal to, we take common 2, 4k3, 8k3 plus 2 plus 1. Since k3 is an integer, therefore 4k3 plus 2 is also an integer, and 2 multiply an integer is an even integer. This is even plus 1. This means odd. Therefore 4n plus 1 is an odd integer. Hence 2 does not divide 4n plus 1. This is number 6. Therefore, we see that n is even or odd in both cases. In theory, 4n plus 1 is not divisible by 2. Now let n is even in 4. Therefore, n will be of the form 2k4. k4 belongs to Z. Therefore, from 4, 6n plus 1 equal to 6 multiply 2k4 plus 1 equal to 2 multiply 6 k4 plus 1. Since k4 is an integer, therefore 6 k4 is also an integer. 2 multiply an integer is an even integer plus 1. This is odd integer, and odd integer is not divisible by 2. Therefore, 2 does not divide 6n plus 1. This is number 7. Let n is odd in 4. Therefore, n will be of the form 2k4 plus 1. k4 belongs to Z. Therefore, 6n plus 1 equal to 6 multiply 2k4 plus 1 plus 1. This equal to 12k4 plus 6 plus 1. Here this equal to 2 common 6k4 plus 3 plus 1. Since k4 is an integer, therefore 6k4 plus 3 is also an integer, and 2 multiply an integer is an even integer plus 1. This is odd integer. Odd integer is not divisible by 2. Therefore, 2 does not divide 6n plus 1. This is number 8. From 5, 6, 7 and 8, we get that in any case two does not divide 4n plus 1 and 2 does not divide 6n plus 1. Therefore, 2 to the power k does not divide 2 multiply 4n plus 1 and 2 to the power k does not divide 2 square 6n plus 1 k greater than equal to 3 implies that 2 to the power k does not divide 3 to the power m plus 1. Since 2 multiply 4n plus 1 and 2 square multiply 6n plus 1 is 3 to the power m plus 1 for k greater than equal to 3. Proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.